it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel. And this is not the video I had planned on doing this week. We have lost two titans in the entertainment industry, Dolly Parton and Tim Curry. Oh my goodness. To say icons, legends, it's not even enough. The amount of work they've left us in TV and movies and Broadway, and oh my goodness, where do I even start? Dolly Parton, she is one of my favorites. I love Dolly, along with millions of other people around the world, but her laughter and her music and her kindness, her charity, her warmth, oh my goodness, her talent. She is what I like to think of that just encapsulates true Americana. You know, you just like to think of somebody with that rags to riches story and with their talent and their spirit and their determination, and she was smart and that business know-how, but that just uses all of that and then gives it back to people and with their in charity, and you know, uses it for good, and just has so much to give to people, not just with their in music and talent and entertainment, but also in kindness and good work. So that is probably why all the flags in the nation are flying at half-mast, and tributes are given to her around the world this week. And yes, you know, as it should be, as it should be. Dolly was just a wonderful entertainer, and I just loved her, and she'll be missed. And her Broadway musical is still set to open this fall. It's a jukebox musical using her music, her catalog of music, to tell her story, and it's a shame that she won't be there opening night, although I think she will be in spirit for sure. But she had a lot to do with getting this musical off the ground. I did a whole video about this musical, and I'll link it below. But as she did with everything, as she did with all her projects, like I say, she was a brilliant businesswoman along with being talented. So anyway, Dolly will surely be missed, but thank goodness we have so much of her left behind to always enjoy. And then Mr. Tim Curry, oh my goodness, the original Dr. Frankenfurter from Rocky Horror Picture Show, by which all other Dr. Frankenfurters will, you know, he has set the bar and will always be judged, that made such a cult classic of this show. And you know, I don't know that anybody will ever meet the bar. I mean, there'll be good ones, but not Tim Curry. They won't be Tim Curry. Same as Spam-A-Lot. I love this show Spam-A-Lot, and I always judge King Arthur by Tim Curry. I'm like, they're good, but are they Tim Curry good? No. Just like Rooster. He was the original Rooster in the movie, original movie adaptation of Annie, alongside Carol Burnett and Bernadette Peters. And every time I see Rooster now, I'm like, but was it Tim Curry good? No, I think not. But he just had so many roles in TV and movies and stage. I mean, everything from, you know, Dr. Frankenfurter to Pennywise, the clown, the creepy Pennywise in It, the original movie adaptation of Stephen King's It. And I mean, just delicious villains like that. So what a talent. He could do anything. He was Tim Curry, of course. And so again, you know, it's just, we've definitely lost a light, two bright lights this week. And I sorely will miss them, but like I say, we always have their work to look back on, and I just wanted to pay my small tribute to the two of them. And anyway, so until next time.